Ready to dive into a completely homemade South Indian lunch? Get your appetite ready because today I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious and healthy meal for two. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. Cooking at home has its perks, and one of the best parts is having full control over the ingredients you choose. Say goodbye to unhealthy takeouts and processed foods. By preparing your own meal, you ensure that every bite is packed with nutritious ingredients and free from unnecessary additives. Whether you're a bachelor looking to impress yourself with a flavorful home-cooked meal, or simply someone who appreciates the authentic tastes of South Indian cuisine, this lunch spread is a winner. It's time to elevate your cooking skills and create something truly special. Cooking is about more than just satisfying your hunger. It's a way to connect with the food you eat, embrace new flavors, and take care of yourself. By preparing these South Indian dishes at home, you're not only nourishing your body but also feeding your soul. So gather your ingredients, turn up the heat, and dive into a joy of cooking. Let the tantalizing aromas fill your kitchen as you create a healthy and delicious meal right in the comfort of your home. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for the culinary adventure. Remember that every time you cook, you're making a conscious choice to prioritize your well-being. So take a step forward. Embrace the joy of creating and savoring flavors of South India. Lentils, the star of the dal dish, are a fascinating source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and folate. They support muscle growth, aid in digestion, and provide long-lasting energy. Rice, a staple in South India, is a great source of carbohydrates and fuel your body and keep you satisfied. The combination of lentils and rice creates a complete protein, making it an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans. This dish not only nourishes your body but also supports a healthy lifestyle. The potato carrot fry. This dish is not only delicious but also packed with nutritional benefits. Potatoes are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They provide energy, support heart rate, and aid digestion. Carrot, on the other hand, are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body, promoting good vision and immune function. Together, these vegetables create a colorful and nutritious side dish that will satisfy your taste buds and boost your well-being. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with laughter, love, and irresistible aromas of South Indian cuisine. Happy cooking!